Welcome to IMTMA. We are coming up with our new exhibition in Pune, which is called PMTX. This year, from 23rd to 26th of May, we will be organizing this show in Moshi. And compared to last edition, this edition has grown considerably, around double. More than 200 exhibitors will be present. And from machine tool industry, most of our large machine tool industry will be present. There will be metal forming, metal cutting, metrology solutions and digital technology solutions. Going forward, this particular show is going to be much larger. Pune has a big industrial base, mostly on manufacturing. Industries like automobile, auto components, general engineering, aerospace and defense, many capital goods which are present in Pune. And all the people from these industries should visit PMTX as well as FacTech, because the solution which will be displayed will actually benefit the industries in these sectors. Doing a concurrent show along with PMTX, which we call FacTech, and this is with an idea that if we can provide solution for future factories, because we feel that in India the industry is going, the manufacturing is going to grow multifold, and we are going to come out with new factories, and we need solutions for these new factories which are of next generation. And in this FacTech, we are going to show all these kind of solutions. So together with FacTech as well as PMTX, the show will be very comprehensive, and whoever visits will be in an advantageous position to see both the solutions. So I again request all of you to come, visit and take advantage of the show.